Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the programming. In today's video, we'll see how to install JDK and set up the Java home environment variable. So let's start by opening our Edge browser here. Type in JDK now. Now, at the time of this recording, Java 17 is the latest version of JDK available for download. So let's proceed with that. You can choose anyone from here, either the compressed archive or installer or the MSI installer. Let's go with MSI for now. Alright, now with that downloaded, let's open it. Click on next. You can choose the path where you want to install. For now, I'll leave it at default program files directory. Close it. Now, time for setting the environment variable. Open your file explorer, show more options, properties, and then advanced system settings, environment variables, a new, navigate to the path of the Java installation directory. Underscore home will be up to the home JDK folder. Okay, let's do that in the system variables as well. Java underscore home. Alright, now let's set up the bin. Go inside the bin folder, copy the path, edit the path variable, a new button, and paste it here. Same here as well. Okay. Now close everything, all the open command prompts. Click on refresh, open a new fresh command prompt and type in java-version. As you can see, it is showing the Java version we have installed, JDK 17.0.2 LTS. Now another sanity check here we can do is check the home variable, path of the home, Java underscore home. Great. That's it about the JDK installation. Thank you.